Hello guys, in this video we will be discussing about finding the derivative of a function using the product rule. Now take note, product rule is actually defined by this expression y is equal to u times the v. Now this solid dot is a symbol or notation for multiplication operation. So u and v are any functions. Now, how to find the derivative of our y denoted as y prime? Or shall I say dy over dx? All you have to do is to copy the first function u, multiply with the derivative of the second, plus copy the second function v times the derivative of the first function, which is denoted as u prime. Now, if you're going to relate that from our given function, this is our u, which is x cubed minus 2x plus 1. And our v is actually the second function, which is 2x squared plus 3x. Now, in finding the derivative, all we have to do is to follow this process. So, the derivative denoted as y prime, all we have to do is to copy the u according to the formula. So we have here x cubed minus 2x plus 1 times v prime, meaning the derivative of the v. And this is sum rule, meaning get the derivative of the first term and the derivative of the second term. So what is the derivative of 2x squared? That will become 4x plus. So you are going to multiply 2 and 2, that's 4, and then subtract 1 from 2, that's 1. So x to the 1, or 4x. What is the derivative of 3x? That's 3, the second term. Plus, copy the v. What is your v? Given by 2x squared plus 3x. Times, we are going to copy the derivative of the u prime. What is the derivative of the u prime? So our u is actually given as x cubed minus 2x plus 1. So all we have to do is to get the derivative of every term, because this is sum and difference rule. So what is the derivative of x cubed? That would be 3x squared. What is the derivative of negative 2x? That's negative 2. What is the derivative of 1? That's constant, meaning 0. So in short, this is now our u, x cubed minus 2x plus 1, which is from here. What is our v prime? 4x plus 3 plus the operation. What is our v? Copying the v to x squared plus 3x, and the derivative of the u denoted as u prime is 3x squared minus 2. Simplify. Multiplying x cubed to every term of the second function on the first term. So x cubed times 4x, that will become 4x to the 4. X cubed times 3, that's plus 3 x cubed, and then multiplying negative 2x to every term, so negative 2x times 4x, so that's negative 8x squared. Negative 2x times 3, that's minus 6x, and then down to the last, 1 times 4x, so that's 4x. 1 times positive 3, that's plus 3. Then simplifying here on the second term, 2x squared times 3x squared, that will become plus 6x to the 4. And then 2x squared times negative 2, so that's negative 4x squared. 3x times 3x squared, that's plus 9x cubed. And then 3x times negative 2, that's negative 6x. Simplifying, so we are going to collect or combine similar terms. So 4x to the 4th can be combined with 6x to the 4th. So that will become 10x to the 4. And 3x cubed can be combined with 9x cubed, so that will become plus 12x cubed. Now, negative 8x squared can be combined with negative 4x squared, so that will become negative 12x squared. And then this part can be combined with 4x and negative 6x. So negative 6 plus 4, that's negative 2x, minus 6x, so that's negative 8x. And then we're going to copy the only constant with it, which is 3. So this is now our derivative.